Our Bradley University senior project involved BTD Manufacturing Inc. in the automation of its inventory cost analysis. The members of our team include Mandy Green, a manufacturing engineer, Derek Romish, an industrial engineer, and Sammy Naman, an industrial engineer as well. BTD currently experiences 8 hours of non-value added time. Through the implementation of our program, we can make this both faster and easier. The current process for the user is to manually save the raw data from Exapta, format the data for usage, perform analysis, and generate the final report. There will be 4 main areas of work: raw materials, work in process, finished goods, and the final report. There will be 3 main deliverables: the final report, an Excel workbook, and 2 user manuals. The raw materials will use the most recent purchase price to calculate the purchase price variance. The work in process will do the same with BOM calculations. And the finished goods will use reserve values to calculate the net value after reserve and the LCM variance. A final report will be generated which shows inventory on hand values and their respective variances, the percent inventory on hand, and it will be straightforward and organized. The team decided to create a unique BTD add-in ribbon, which added to Excel will provide the user with unique buttons that correspond to each of the inventory items. The team provided the user with 2 troubleshooting manuals for the user's benefit. Through the implementation of our program, the current procedure, which takes 8 hours, will be reduced to approximately 1 minute and the single click of a button. We will now show a demonstration of how the program works. Okay, so we're going to begin by opening up the file folder from the flash drive. And as you can see, it's the BTD data file, and we're going to go ahead and throw it up on the desktop. And then in the file folder, you will find book 1, and you're going to go ahead and open that. From here, you're going to go to File and Options. And you're going to go ahead and go to the Add-ins pane and go browse for the BTD add-in that you just threw up on the desktop. And you're going to open up the BTD data file folder and open up the BTD Excel sheet, select it, and hit OK. And as you can see, the BTD ribbon appears up top. You're going to resave the workbook, hit yes to overwrite, and you're good to go. The first button that we will run is the Pre-Sheets button, which populates the workbook with all the necessary data for the other inventory analysis items. The second button that you will run is the Raw Materials button, which will calculate all the necessary data for its analysis. The Work in Process will do the same for its own analysis items. As you can see, it's highlighting the variances over 1,000, and the Finished Good button does the same for the finished goods. The Final Report button will generate a final report that summarizes all of the data, and the Clear All button will clear the workbook. The Run All button runs each of these buttons successively from pre-sheets through each inventory and then finishing with the final report. And at the end, you can go ahead and print out the final report for easy viewing.